Cold open, here we go. Ever wonder why ginger is a staple in kitchens worldwide? Well, it's not just for its zingy flavor. This root is jam-packed with benefits that can improve your health. First, it's a potent anti-inflammatory. Yep, it can help reduce muscle pain and soreness after an intense workout. Next, ginger can help ease nausea, making it a go-to remedy for morning sickness. Finally, it's a powerful antioxidant, which means it can help fight off those pesky free radicals. So, next time you're in the kitchen, add a bit of ginger, your body will thank you for it. Until next time, keep spicing up your life.